In today's session, we will see how do we edit the ADI created website that Wix ADI has already created according to our requirement. Now we will see how do we edit this ADI created website. So we have so many options here. So in the top side we have Wix site setting, development mode, and hire a professional and help. So this section we are not touching. This is our main website. Login details will be available here, and the list of websites we can see it here. So you can see just below we have the page option here. Page and home is by default selected. So if you want to edit anything here, so just click on this drop down button, so we can see the pages of our website. We can see home page, about page, contact services, frequently asked questions, and team. Same pages were appearing here on this side here, home and about. So if you want to change it here, so we can click on here. So we can manage pages here. Click on the manage pages. So now if you want to rearrange these pages, we can rearrange it. For example, I want to bring the contact last, so I can bring the contact last, and immediately we can see the effect here. So here where I brought the contact last, and immediately this contact has shifted to on the last position. Same way, if I bring the frequently asked questions next to team, so I'll bring the frequently asked questions next to team here, so it is automatically updated here. This frequently asked question is coming just right side of the team options. So about services, so this way we can edit it, so we can change the position from this one. So you can, even if you want, you can add the pages here. For example, if I want to add the page here, click on the add button here upside, we have an option called add. So it is allow you to add the page, the new page we can add it. So we have added only few options, while the Wix ADI creator has asked a few questions, so it is asked for a few pages, so we have added those pages. If you want, now we can add this extra pages. So I would like to click on add page here. So these many options we have here, so we can click whichever pages if you want here. So for example, I want some service pages, we'll click on the service pages. Or if you want blank page, you can click the blank page. So I'll click on the service page, and I'll click on the add page here. So click on the add page, so that particular page will be added to your Wix menu. So here now we can see, so this is adding your page. It will take bit time, so a little bit time. So services we have added here, so click on done option. You can see here services options are coming here. So any pages we can add, we can delete the pages also. So just click on this three dot button here. So there are two services here, this is first one and this is second one. So if you want to delete these services, click on this three dot button and you can delete that particular service button. So then I will click on delete, that services button will be disappeared. You can see here the services menu, the page of services on the menu bar will be deleted here. So the next to home, here we have a three dot option. So we will see what are these three dot options. So click on this three dot, we can go to settings here. So in this settings page information we can give. If you want to hide the home menu, you can click the hide this menu. So that home menu will not be appeared in a preview website. For example, we have hidden the home page. So now I would like to save this, so click on save. So this is your website address, so this is the temporary website address. So it is not the temporary website address, it is complete, it is your permanent website address before purchasing the domain. So this is the classes15.wixsite.com is your website address, and then click on save button. So as soon as you click on save button, this website has got saved. So it is asking you any other options you need, just click on done. So here we have the publish or preview button. So if you publish it, that particular link will be created and it is public online. So I'll click on the preview button. So as soon as I click on the preview button, I can see the website here. So this is a website which we have hidden the home page, so home I will not be able to see it, yes, but the design is still open in the background in the editing mode. So this way we can edit our website. Any website if you want, we can edit it. So if I'll click on the home, I will click on this drop down button, click on manages. So I'll click on the home button. So I would go to settings and I would like to unhide it. So now I will come, we can see the home button on the menu bar. So click on the layout, standard layout or no header footer layout, you can choose it. So this is created by ADI creator, so the standard layout only it has taken. Permissions, once we publish this one, so right now we have everyone position for permission, password holders and members only per three. There are three options. So currently by default it will be having everyone permission. And as SEO basics also we can add it here. So how it looks like on the search pages. So not only Google, any other search pages also. How it looks like, it's a home, weeks, classes, this way, and this is the website of your web page. So you can go to SEO wizard. So click on this SEO wizard. We can add the content related to your website. So it will trigger in the search engine pages. So these are the social shares where we can add your social networking sites to get the more leads. So this is advanced SEO. So we'll see those in the future classes. These are the few options where we can make from page information to layout information. For every page we can get that. So go to settings option here. For every page we need, we are getting that. So for example, if you want to hide the team page, so I will go to SEO settings, click on the three dots, settings, page info, click on the hide button. So that team has got hidden in the main page. So the team has got hidden in the main page. So this way, even if you don't want, you can delete this one. So you can add, if you click on add here, so you can add the pages also. So click on SEO basic social share here, page background. If you want, you can add the page background. So I would like to click on page. I'll select the home page first. So whichever page you select, it will come here. So I selected the home page. Click on the add about page. I can see the about page. Click on the services. I can see the services place, team, frequently asked, like contact details. So those pages will appear here and we can go to edit those each and every pages. So in the home page, so click here, so go to page background, so click on the background option. So these are the background. So you can see the selected area is the background area, where if I choose this template, the background will be changed to that particular template here. So this will be the background of this one. So if I remove that particular slide or picture, so I can see this background. So you can choose this background. So apply to other pages. If you choose other pages, means sub pages like home page, about page, services, frequently asked and contact pages will also the background of those pages will also be getting changed here. So I'll click on save the background. I will save it. You can see the background here. Just below this page we can see that particular background. So I will just move one of the slide and we can see the background. This is the template. If you want to, you can do if you want to undo, you can do Control Z, so that undo will also work here. So same way, we'll click on this manage pages. So click on here. So you can change the page background. We can change the page design also. Click on the page design. So we have some options of the color options here. So we can choose the color. So we can choose any type of color. So that color will be changed according to your requirement. Click on more page. So click on the three dot page. So you can rename the page instead of home. If you want something else, we can write it. You can duplicate the page. So for testing and all, we can duplicate. So our similar pages, if you have, we can duplicate it. You can take copy of it. So you can hide it and you can delete it. These many options are available for all the pages. Sub pages also, these many options are available. So we can each and every page No need to write any code, each and every page you open. So if you want to do any editing in the about option, just click on about and we can edit that particular page. In the next class we'll see how do we add these headings, paragraphs and link buttons, etc. We will see in the next class.